yeah.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Sati. Thanks so much for joining me today and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create this soft smoky eye look, and to start off we're going to go straight into our eyeshadow base. We're going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paintpot all over the lid. Now we're going to go in with our Morphe 9A Always Golden palette. I love this palette. It's super pigmented. The colors are all nice soft browns, earthy tones that go well with a deeper skin tone, and you can take this palette from a simple day look into a dramatic night look. So I love it. It's also super affordable. So we're going to go in with placing Splendid straight into our crease using a fluffy domed brush. Now my eyelid is pretty big, so I'm going to go in and place this slightly higher than my natural crease so that when we place the other colors and I open my eyes, we can actually see there's color. Now we're going to go in using Bruise. Using that same brush, we're going to place that into just in our crease. We're not going to go higher than that. We're just going to make sure that those two colors between Splendid and Bruise are evenly blended and that there is a soft gradient between the two colors. What we're going to do next is going to place a black Kohl eyeliner on the lid, and this is going to act as an eyeshadow base, and therefore when we place the black eyeshadow, the color will pop and be even that much more darker. So placing this Kohl pencil all over the lid, straight up into that crease. Then we're going to blend this out with a small synthetic brush so that it's even. Now going in with that black eyeshadow, Storm in the 9A palette. It is very pigmented, but I did have to go in a few times just to get the color payoff that I wanted. But we're going to place this all over the lid into the crease. Now when you do put down the eye pencil, it is going to create somewhat of a harsh line, so we're going to need to blend that out eventually, but we're really going to pack on that black color to get that intense deep payoff that we want. Then we're going to go in with Bruise again on that same fluffy brush and blend that out to try to get rid of that harsh line. Now in doing so, we're obviously going to rub away some of the black eyeshadow, so we're going to go back in after once it's blended and again try to deepen that color and make it super smoky and beautiful. Once that's all blended and you're happy with how that looks, we're going to go into our brow bone highlight, and for this I didn't want anything too shiny or shimmery, so I just went in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC35 and blending that out. Then I went in with a clean fluffy brush just to make sure everything was blended out and that there aren't any harsh lines and that, you know, there's a soft transition between all the colors that we placed on our eye today. Now going in with that same Kohl pencil, we're gonna fill in our tight line and waterline, just making sure that when we place our eyelashes that there aren't any blank spots that poke through. Then I'm going to take that same black eyeshadow, Storm, and I'm going to set the eyeshadow in place with a flat shader brush. And once that's done, I'm going to take another clean fluffy brush and blend everything again, because this look you need to blend for your life. Now I'm going to put my lashes on off camera and I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation. I love this foundation. It's super, I don't know, it's giving me the coverage and it doesn't feel cakey, and it's my go-to now. I love it more than my MAC Studio Fix, and I know there's a lot of other foundations out there, but this one right now is 100% my favorite. It's in the color 300, and I'm putting it down with a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and it is wet, so just patting that in place. I used approximately 2 pumps of this foundation all over my face, so you don't need a lot actually. You do see that it goes on a little bit lighter, and then as time goes by it does get a little bit darker, so it does oxidize a little bit. It suits my skin tone well, and I'm not mad. I'm not bad. It works. We're going to go in with our concealer. It's our MAC Select Cover Up, and this is in the color NC42. And I'm using a synthetic brush also to place this down under my eyes and blend that out. Now I didn't go for a really pop-in highlight today, so it's just something that just covers my dark circles and blends nicely into my foundation. Then we're gonna set this with a fluffy brush using our Ben Nye Banana powder. I'm gonna go in with my contour, and today we're using the LA Girl Pro HD concealer in the color Chestnut. And to be honest, I'm literally just contouring my cheeks, nothing else. So to do this, I'm using a small synthetic brush again, because I really want this contour to be noticeable and pop a little bit more. So I'm just blending this out slightly, keeping that, making sure that that line is still carved out. So I do a little victory dance because I'm feeling myself, like, bam. Then we're gonna go in with our highlight, and this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. And whoa, just one swipe and it's on, girl. Like, I didn't need anything else. I love it. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my lip color. I did try some shimmery something and I hated it, so then now I'm going in with my go-to liquid lipstick, and this one is from Sasha Cosmetics and it's called I'm in the Nude. Not sure why it shows up in the camera looking a little bit more red, but it's actually a soft brown. And then to set this all off, I'm going to use my Sasha Cosmetics Fix It spray. Just a couple spritz, and then I'm good to go. So this is the final look, y'all. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, and yeah, thank you all so much. I had fun making this look and hope to see you guys next time.